the Delhi blast investigation that is being headed by the National Investigation Agency, and through the inputs that it has been gathering, it has now asked the UP ATS to also launch search operations across multiple districts based on inputs coming in from the NIA. Remember, the NIA, which is heading the Delhi blast investigation, what has now been said, according to inputs, more than 10 doctors have been questioned in connection to the links to the terror doctors, Dr. Muzammil, Dr. Shaheen, Dr. Adil, and searches have been carried out in multiple districts, including Bahraich, in Aligarh, in Noida, in Saharanpur, in Moradabad, in Muzaffarnagar, in Sambhal. And what is being also said from Moradabad, 3 doctors have been put under surveillance and they have been called by the ATS to present themselves towards before the officials at the ATS headquarters in Lucknow for further questioning. And sources say the agencies have been tracking their location near Faridabad, with their phone numbers having been switched off following the Delhi blast. So, Adib, all of this information that has now been asked by the NIA for the UP ATS to further investigate.
Well, definitely, Amita, see, around 10 doctors, they have been questioned by UP ATS following the inputs given by the NIA. And now the UP ATS have also called 3 doctors from Moradabad for further questioning at the UP ATS headquarters in Lucknow. The UP ATS believe that they are in some kind of suspicious activity, as the mobile tower location was near Faridabad during the Delhi blast case. And after that, they also switched off their phones. So now the UP ATS have put them under the suspicious list, and they have been called to UP ATS headquarters for further questioning. The ATS have questioned more than 10 doctors in several of the districts, which include Bahraich, Sambhal, Muzaffarnagar, and several other districts as well. So all of these doctors are being questioned by UP ATS, and UP ATS also says that if needed, they will also take these doctors into custody for further questioning, Amita.
All right, with this development that is now coming in, weren't there certain doctors as well? Because all of them that we're looking at, Adib, are said to be medical practitioners, said to be in connection or in touch with the terrorist doctors involved in Delhi blast?
I will definitely see, Amita, all these inputs are being given by NIA and the UP ATS, who are probing this case in the state of Uttar Pradesh. They believe that these doctors, these specific doctors, they were in touch with Dr. Shaheen, Dr. Muzammil, and Dr. Adil. Dr. Adil and Dr. Shaheen, they were very much active in the parts of Uttar Pradesh, especially in Saharanpur. And Shaheen, in fact, tried to brainwash and radicalize several of these doctors. So that's the main reason these doctors have been put under heavy surveillance. The UP ATS and other central agencies are continuously monitoring their digital payments, their digital trails, including their social media accounts, and keeping a tab on their activities to establish their connection with all the doctors of the terror module. But as of now, 3 doctors have been called for the questioning at the UP ATS headquarters in Lucknow, and the ATS also says that if needed, they will be taken into custody, and ATS believe that they will retrieve some credible information from these doctors, as they are on the watch list of UP ATS.
All right, thank you very much, Adib, for that information. So 3 doctors there coming from Moradabad have been asked to present themselves before the UP ATS headquarters in Lucknow for further questioning. We'll keep our viewers updated on the same. But speaking of the Delhi blast, in the aftermath, what has now been said that a show cause notice has been issued to the Al Falah University. Now, this is the NCMEI, which is now issued the show cause notice. The minority status of this university is now under question, and the university has been asked to justify the status. The notice that has been now sent to the registrar and to the education secretary, and the hearing that is now being fixed for the 4th of December. The university will have been asked to submit its report before this hearing. As far as we've told you, there's this notice that has been issued in the matter that has been fixed on the 4th of December. Notice has been issued to the university registrar as well as the Principal Secretary of Education, Government of Haryana, to submit the report. Let's get in a word from Shefali now. So, Shefali, the university under question, the chairman already in custody. We're looking at the accreditation also of the university that has been under scanner, and now we are getting to know, as far as the minority status given to the university, it has been asked to give an explanation on this.
Yes, the National Commission for Minority Educational Institutions have told Times Now that a show cause notice has been issued to Al Falah University, where it has asked why its minority status should not be withdrawn. That is linked with the emerging Red Fort terror attack. Also, the source, NCMEI source, has told Times Now that the notice was issued yesterday, and the matter is fixed to be heard on 4th of December. Is what they have told. They have also said that notice has been issued to the University Al-Falah's registrar and as well as Principal Secretary of Education of Government of Haryana to submit the report regarding the same on the set date.
All right. Thank you, Shefali, for that update. So the minority status is now under question. The university has been asked to justify the status and the notice has now been sent to the registrar. The hearing that has now been fixed for the 4th of December, where the university has been asked to submit a report. Thank you very much, Shefali, for joining in with those details. With that